Welcome to Vistaland Elite by Team FTR. Sino at ano nga ba si Staycation Master by Dice? Ito ay isang property management company in partnership with Vistaland Elite by Team FTR. Our goal is to help unit owners and investors na maging profitable and hassle-free ang condo units sa Vista Residences. You don't need to worry kasi kami na ang bahala sa operation ng unit mo. From renovation, maintenance, cleaning, housekeeping, and marketing, ang tanong, paano ka nga ba kikita sa ganitong business model? Just like hotels, kumikita tayo ng daily rentals from Airbnb, Agoda, Booking.com, Klook, Trivago, at marami pang ibang platform with a daily rate of 2,000 to 3,000 pesos or 60,000 to 90,000 pesos monthly. So, ang rental profit mo ay makakapag-provide sa'yo ng cash flow at passive income kahit wala kang masyadong ginagawa. And ang pinakamalaking kitaan is the property valuation. Ibig sabihin, tumaas ang value ng property mo over time. Kumikita ka na sa daily rentals plus the ownership dahil sa'yo nakapangalan ang property mo. Kaya, super safe ang investment mo. Why Vistaland? Vistaland is the largest and fastest real estate developer here in the Philippines. Also, the owner of All Bank, Vista Mall, All Day Supermarket, and a lot more. We have strategic location when it comes to rentals, kaya mas mabilis tumaas ang value ng property mo. Nasa prime location ito kung saan malapit sa schools like De La Salle University, UP, Ateneo, UST, UBELT, and many more. Aside from that, malapit ito sa tourist attraction like Boracay, Tagaytay, Baguio. Meron din tayo sa Makati, Ortigas, Show, QC, BGC, and outside Metro Manila like Villar City in Cavite at marami pang iba sa Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Vistaland also offers flexible payment terms, gaya ng low down payment as low as 3% to 5%. Kaya mas mabilis ang return of investment natin. Ngayon, meron tayong 2 options para makapagsimula. Number 1, pre-selling or spread down payment. All you need to do is magpa-reserve ka lang ng unit ngayon as low as 30,000 pesos reservation fee depende sa unit or location na gusto mo. Plus, monthly down payment of 11,000 to 20,000 depende sa unit na mapipili mo. Once na ma-turn over na yung unit mo, pwede na natin itong magamit at maparentahan. Ibig sabihin, kikita ka na ng passive income. Number 2, ready for occupancy or rent to own. Ang kailangan mo lang is magpa-reserve ng unit. Mag-spot down payment as low as 3% and that's it. Pwede nang ma-turn over sa'yo ang property. This time, hindi ka na maglalabas ng pera galing sa sarili mong bulsa or sa trabaho mo. Kasi, yung monthly amortization or down payment ay kukunin na natin sa rental income ng property mo. Kung interested ka na magkaroon ng property investment na kayang magbigay sa'yo ng monthly passive income, we can schedule a free one-on-one presentation with our property specialist. See you inside!